Good afternoon to all. My name is Raghav Jaggi. I am a BDS third year student pursuing my dentistry from GN Kapoor David Dental College and Hospital in Nanagar. So, under the Save the Tooth campaign, I am going to speak on the topic of conservative dentistry and endodontics. So, the role of an endodontist, or what does an endodontist do? A conservative dentist and an endodontist aims to do procedures like root canal treatment, direct and indirect restorations like composite restoration, amalgam restoration, GIC restorations, gold filling, veneers, laminate, crowns. Also aims to provide cosmetic and aesthetic treatment to the patient. Also, the main aim of conservative dentist and endodontist is to conserve a tooth, is to restore a tooth. That's why this field is named as conservative dentistry and endodontics. Our second question is simple tips and tools to avoid dental caries and tooth cavities. Like we have to brush in a proper way, we have to brush 2 times a day, we have to floss properly, and we have to use fluoridated toothpaste. Gold filling or cement restoration, which is better? In previous times, gold filling is considered to be the better because in previous time it is known to be as aesthetic value. But in today's dentistry, the restorations like GSA restorations and composite restoration is considered more better than gold filling, because in today's time these restorative materials, this type of restorative treatment is considered to be considered more aesthetic than gold filling. What is RCT? RCT, it's a very common procedure. RCT stands for root canal treatment. It is an endodontic procedure in which the endodontist treats the infected pulp. In this, the endodontist removes the infection from the tooth pulp. It is the most common procedure in today's dentistry. Most of the patients comes to the dentist for RCT. So, when to extract your tooth? When to extract your tooth? When there is, I think, in my way, in my thought, when there is no possibility left in conservation of a tooth. When there is no possibility left in the conservation of a tooth, the tooth is completely damaged, the tooth is completely damaged and not being saved. That is the main condition to extract the tooth. That is the main time to extract the tooth. Why RCT? Okay, this is the most common question which every patient asks to the dentist. Like, why root canal treatment? Root canal treatment basically saves your tooth and relieves patient from the extremist pain. Actually, at the stage of irreversible pulpitis, when the patient is in a very painful stage, he or she is not even to eat food, he or she is not even to even speak properly, and he or she is going in the extremist pain. Then RCT is that procedure in which a dentist treats your tooth pulp and removes infection from your tooth pulp and saves and relieves you from that extremist infection. So RCT is a very important procedure, and it's a very nice procedure in which a dentist saves the patient from the extremist pain. Advantage of the RCT, advantage of root canal treatment, that first of all, your tooth is saved from that infection. You are relieved from that extremist pain. These are the main two advantages. These and many more advantages are of RCT, but these are the main two advantages, that you are safe from that infection. You are safe from that infection which is destroying your tooth. RCT saves your tooth from that infection, and you are relieved from that extremist pain, and that is the most good thing, that you are relieved from that pain. That's why RCT is a very good procedure, and that is why it is a very common procedure in today's dentistry. Side effects of RCT, like some side effects are also there for root canal treatment. Root canal treatment side effects, like after root canal treatment, tooth is not vital. After root canal treatment, tooth is not vital. Tooth has become non-vital, and I think tooth has become artificial. The natural tooth has become artificial. It has become non-vital, and I think that is the main side effect of root canal treatment. So thanking you. Under the Save the Tooth campaign, I have answered some questions regarding my knowledge on the topic of conservative dentistry and endodontics. Thank you so much. Take care, stay healthy, stay safe.